What's up, YouTube surfers? This is Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out a light bulb in a recessed light in a drop-down ceiling. Now, this might not, there's obviously a bunch of different kinds of recessed lighting, so this might not be the exact one that you have, but hopefully it gets you close enough to be able to figure this out. Once you know how to do this, you probably won't ever need the video again, but it's one of those things that you don't know until you know. So just to show you real quick, this is a drop-down ceiling. That is the recessed light right there. Let's peek up above here real quick so you can see right there. This is downstairs in my basement, so we just have a drop-down ceiling. That right there is the enclosure for the recessed light. So it's not, you can't just simply unscrew this and screw it back in. There's like this little seal around here that prevents it from actually screwing out and just popping out of there. What you actually have to do is just grab the enclosure, and if you pull down on this specific model, you can see that there is these little clips on either side. They're like little, almost like wing clips. And what that does is it just pushes up in there, and then it just pushes against the sides to hold it in place. So once you have that pulled down, then if you look inside of here, and I'm attempting to do this with one hand, so I apologize if it's not easiest to see yet, but basically there's these little metal clips right here that are on either side of the enclosure that hold it into place. So basically all you do is you just need to kind of peek up in there as it's before. Well, mine came off nice and easy, but you don't want to just pull on this. I'm going to go ahead and pop this back in here, again with one hand if I can. Get in there, you bugger. Alright, there we go. Close enough. So anyways, if you peek up in there, you can see where the clips are, and you just basically pull it in the opposite direction. So you can see that the clips are on the back side here. And then there's nothing on the front side, so if you just go ahead and pull down on it, it just kind of pops right out. And then once you have it out, it's just as simple as just replacing it just like you normally would, and then you just put it back in the reverse order. So there you go. That is how you swap out the light, or a light bulb, on a recessed light in a drop-down ceiling. Let's see here. There's a little bit of information about this. It doesn't tell the exact maker model on it. I'm not sure if it says up here or not. Doesn't look like it. So yeah, about the best I can do for you is just look at it and see if it's similar to what you have. So hopefully this helps somebody out there out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.